Salamat sa Diyos sa isa na namang panibagong araw. Panibagong araw para matuto. Muli, ako si Teacher Royce at hayaan niyong gabayan ko kayo upang gawin nating ang math ay maging dali lang. Simulan na natin. Pag-uusapan natin ngayong araw ay tungkol sa arithmetic and geometric series. Our main objectives are: determine the sum of terms of an arithmetic sequence and a geometric sequence, and solves problems involving sequence. Eto, mag-warm up muna tayo. Ihanda ng inyong mga ballpen at papel. I will give you 1 minute to answer this activity. We're going to compute for the sum of the terms of each sequence. Handa na? Your timer starts now. Time's up. Tingnan natin ang mga sagot sa activity. Here are the answers. For number 1, the answer is sum equals 75. Number 2, sum is equal to 63. Number 3, the sum is equal to 40. Number 4, the sum is equal to 54. And number 5, the sum is equal to 127. Kung nakuha ang tamang sagot, mahusay. Kung hindi naman, magpa-practice pa tayo lalo. Here are the definition and formula. Arithmetic series is the sum of an arithmetic sequence. The formula for the arithmetic series are S sub n is equal to n over 2 times the quantity a sub 1 plus a sub n. The other formula, S sub n is equal to n over 2 times the quantity 2 times a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d, where a sub 1 is the first term, a sub n is the nth term, n is the number of terms, d is the common difference. An architect designed an auditorium for kay Titingga 1 as a project of the local government unit. The auditorium is consisted of 25 rows of seats. The first row has 15 seats, and that each row has 3 more seats than the previous row. The projected number of audience for every viewing is 1,190 based on the recent survey. The question is, will the seating capacity based on the design be enough? Let us analyze the situation. There are 25 rows of seats in the designed auditorium. The first row has 15 seats, and that each row has 3 more seats than the previous row. Therefore, if the first row has 15 seats, the second row will be having 18 seats, and the third row will be having 21 seats, and adding by 3 each row until we reach the 25th row. Looking at the resulting sequence, 15, 18, 21, we are adding a constant number 3 to each row. Therefore, the sequence is an arithmetic sequence. So we will be using the formula for the arithmetic series. So we have two formulas. We will choose from either of the two depending on the given. So we have the first term is 15. The nth term is a sub 25 or the 25th term. N is 25, the number of terms. And D is the common difference. We have 3. So since the last term is not given, let us use the second formula. By substitution, we will have the sum of the 25 terms is equal to 25 over 2 times the quantity 2 times 15 plus the quantity 25 minus 1 times the quantity 3. Let us continue. We will be having S sub 25 is equal to 25 over 2 times the quantity 2 times 15 plus the quantity 24 times the quantity 3. Next line will be S sub 25 is equal to 25 over 2 times the quantity 30 plus 72. Next, we will have S sub 25 is equal to 25 over 2 times 102. Next, we can simplify 102 and 2. So we will have S sub 25 is equal to 25 over 1 times 51. So getting the product, we will have S sub 25 or the sum of the 25 terms is equal to 1,275. So that will be the total seating capacity of the designed auditorium. So therefore, there will be enough seating capacity for each viewing in the auditorium. So we will now proceed to example number 3. Donalyn gave money to a charity over a 10-year period, from year 1 to year 10 inclusive. She gave 100,000 pesos in year 1, 110,000 pesos in year 2, 120,000 pesos in year 3, and 190,000 pesos in year 10, so that the amount of money she gave formed an arithmetic sequence. The question: how much money did she already give the charity in 10 years? So obviously, the given sequence will be an arithmetic sequence. It is indicated in the given situation. Let us look at the table. In year 1, Donna gave 100,000 pesos. Then at year 2, she gave 110,000 pesos. In year 3, she gave 120,000 pesos. Since the amount of money she gave form an arithmetic sequence, at year 10, she will be giving 190,000 pesos to the charity. The common difference in this sequence is 10,000 pesos. And now, let us choose from the two formula. I will find the first term, the nth term, number of terms, and the common difference. So here it is. The first term is 100. The nth term, the last term, the 10th term is 190. The number of terms is 10. Then the common difference is 10. So which of the two will I use to compute for the total money Donna gave the charity? Since A sub 1, A sub n, and d are given, we can actually use the second formula. But to make it faster, since the last term and the first term are already given, I will choose the first formula para mas mabilis at mas madali. So by substitution, we will have the sum of the 10 terms is equal to 10 over 2 times the quantity 100 plus 190. The second line will be S sub 10 is equal to 5 times 290. Then, finally, the product is S sub 10 is equal to 1,450 or 1,450,000. It is equivalent to 1,450,000 pesos. So, Donalyn gave the charity a total of 1,450,000 pesos in the span of 10 years. So, sana ay ating nasundan ang mga example at computation. Maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig. Nawa ay natulungan ko kayo sa inyong lesson. Muli, maraming salamat at magkita-kita tayo sa susunod na video. Paalam!